Question 1. The function f is defined by this. Find the iterated functions of f2, f3 and f4. Alright. So fx is x over x plus 1. First, let's find what's f2. So f2x is the same as f of fx. So if fx is x plus 1, fy y plus 1, fx would be fx plus 1. Okay, so this is the object now. Okay, f of fx. So this one we put into the x lah. Okay, we get fx over fx plus 1. Right. Then we can sub the fx into this and this. So fx is x over x plus 1 over x over x plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so we've subbed this into the fx. So we got this lah. So now we can make the denominator same. So this is just 1, right? So 1 is the same as x plus 1 over x plus 1. So writing this, rewriting this, this is x over x plus 1. Okay, instead of writing this over means divide, right? That means this divided by this, right? So I'm going to write it like this. Divide by x plus 1 over x plus 1. Okay, so this divided by this whole thing, right? Okay, then if you have divide, a fraction divide, so you have to swap this and make it times. So we get x over x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 1 over, this one will just become 2x plus 1. So you have times, and then the numerator and denominator is the same, means you can cut. So this will give us x over 2x plus 1. Okay, so whenever you have x in your denominator, you must make sure to write the condition where the denominator cannot be 0. Okay, so let's look at this, how to make the denominator not be 0. So 2x plus 1 cannot be 0, that means x cannot be negative 1. Okay, so we bring there, divide by 2, so bring there, become divide. So we can say x cannot be negative 1 over 2. So this one you can do on a rough paper lah. You don't have to show that working. Okay, this is f square x. Right. So let's write this down. Okay, I erase all these. Okay, so this is our f square x. Right. Next, let's find f cube x. So f cube x is same as f square times fx. So we get f cube x. So now we know f square x is x over 2x plus 1. F square y, y over 2y plus 1. So f square of fx would be fx 2x plus 1. So fx, we write fx over 2 of fx plus 1. Okay, now we know fx is this, so we put this into the fx. So x over x plus 1 divide by 2 times x over x plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so we sub the fx with the actual fx that we have. Now we expand. So x over x plus 1 divide by, right, this one we can do the same thing as just now. This is 1, so we can make this x plus 1 over x plus 1. So we get divide by 2x plus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. Okay, this one I multiply inside already, become 2x. So 2x plus x plus 1 over x plus 1. So divide, we flip it and make it times. So this and this can cancel out. This will give us x over 2 plus x is 3x. So x over 3x plus 1. Okay, then we must find the condition. So our denominator cannot be 0. Therefore, x cannot be negative 1 divided by 3. Okay, positive 1 you bring there become negative 1. Then divide by 3 lah. So let's rewrite this. X cannot be negative 1 over 3. Right. This is our f cube x. We delete all this. This is our answer. Okay, now must find f4x. Okay. So f4x will be the same as f cube of fx. So if f cube x is x 3x plus 1, f cube of fx would be fx 3fx plus 1. So again, we sub the fx, x over x plus 1 over 3x over x plus 1 plus 1. So this gives us x over x plus 1 divide by, so this one also we change to x plus 1, x plus 1. So this will give us 3x plus x plus 1 over x plus 1. Then divide becomes times, and then you flip this, giving us the same thing, x over 4x plus 1. Okay, not exactly the same, but almost the same. Then our denominator cannot be 0. So x cannot be negative 1 over 4. So we write here x cannot be negative 1 over 4. This is our f4. So we erase all these. This is our f4. Right. Okay, so fx also has a condition, x cannot be negative 1. Right, so now that we have f, f square, f cube and f4, we need to write the function b. We need to write the function f20 and f23. Okay, so let's see, let's look at the pattern. When f is to the power of 1, this one was 1x plus 1. F power 2, 2x plus 1. F power 3, 3x plus 1. F4, 4x plus 1. Therefore, f20 would be x over 20x plus 1. And f23 would be x over 23x plus 1. Okay, so don't forget to write the condition. X cannot be, so here also got pattern. If it's 1, it's 1 over 1. 2 is 1 over 2. 3, 1 over 3, 4, 1 over 4. So here x gonna be negative 1 over 20, negative 1 over 23. This is the answer. Done.